what we're going to do, everybody, is show you the same task done by AMP with two different prompts.
Yeah.
And let's just see how it goes and see what works, what doesn't work.
Yep.
Um,
Yep. Yep.
so
Okay.
we'll
I'll
let,
need to be quick, I think.
all right. So let's pull it up and see.
Okay.
Let's just see how
Okay. So
far.
what I have two checkouts here. It's the same project, right? It's a terminal emulator, and I have two checkouts, 1 and 2 here. And the problem that we want to fix is HTOP. This is a terminal application, and it looks kind of weird, right?
Yep.
So what I want to do is what I want to compare is, and it looks weird. Like this stuff up here is wrong, right? If you
Right.
look at it in Ghost, you can see this is what it should look like.
And so
Okay,
we're looking at in Tucanti, which is your custom terminal.
exactly. This is still exactly,
And we want to fix HTOP.
and want to fix this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a screenshot, and I'm gonna say I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna say in this one, I'm gonna start AMP. I'm gonna start AMP over here too. And in this one, you can see at the bottom here, this is the different checkouts. I'm going to say, hey, in this terminal emulator, HTOP looks really weird. I attached a screenshot. Can you use the capture mode as a feedback loop and figure out how to fix this so we display HTOP correctly?
Boom.
So that's one prompt. And then the other, and I'm interested in this, I'm going to say hello instead of hey.
I was
You
about to
know,
call it. You always say, "Hey,
I always say hey,
hey,
hey, hello, buddy. I need your help.
buddy."
And now I'm going to say, I'm not, so this is,
Huh.
I'm going to say HTOP looks weird when rendered here. Okay. It's a
Interesting.
really short prompt. I'm not going to say use this to get feedback. I'm not attaching a screenshot. So what I assume, I don't know. I don't know. What I assume is that this one here will do worse.
Let's find out.
So I'm going to hit return here, and I'm going to hit return here. I've never done this. This is the first prompt shooter we're doing. This
Oh
is
my gosh!
live.
And
This is
why
exciting.
we're waiting, so over 35 of you got the secret word. So we're gonna see.
What?
Yes.
Was it hamster?
So we'll let you know tomorrow who gets the $500 in AMP credit.
It
Okay,
was
so walk us through.
Tucanti.
Let's walk us
Oh,
through.
they're both spawning. So the first one is spawning. Look, like the one on the left where I said use the capture mode already spawned.
Oh my god.
So now it's looking at the results, right?
Yeah.
Look at this, blah, 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 looks correct. This is again the sub agent. I think I should have disabled this maybe, but let's see if it comes back with something.
So the one on
And
the
look,
right
this,
didn't use the tool because it doesn't know about it.
it gave up, it stopped, right?
Oh, would you like me to?
With no, look, it
Oh
says like with
my god.
no color, it works. The issues with the color. So this one stopped, right? So what does this one say? Would you like me to implement the missing CS for scroll region operation? I don't know if this is true.
Huh.
So it doesn't have any feedback. It didn't use the capture loop. I didn't put it in the prompt. So I'm just going to say yes.
Well, it's so interesting. The one on the left is just working.
And the one on the left, it knows about the feedback loop. I told it to use it. It just keeps chugging through
Just
this. I
going.
don't know if it's correct. I honestly don't know. But so scroll region support is something. This is what the one on the right says. I've not implemented this in the terminal emulator. Here, look. The
Okay.
progress bars in HTOP show this. The issue is likely that HTOP uses Unicode characters like this. These might not be displaying correctly. The problem is okay, but some characters are wide, and let me run a test to see. So the theory on the left, look at this. So that it uses the same feedback loop again.
Wow.
Look at this. Now it looks at it. Check if the show as a horizontal line, or if it
Testing.
shows as. Oh my god! And this on the right, is it going down? It's not handling the alternate character set. So
Uh-huh.
now I'm going to implement it. I need to add a field. I need to handle this. Map to this.
It's
Dude,
just
this is
going.
exciting. I didn't think it would be this exciting.
It's so
Okay.
I love how it says when it says like I see more clearly now.
Yes.
Opus is doing this a lot
Just
now. Where
just like the song. So, but look. So this one here on the right says build succeeded. Try running HTOP now. It should look much better. So let's see if it's right. So if I run this, and now I'm like, it doesn't look better, dude.
yeah,
So
because
now I
it's
could
the
take the
word.
screenshot. I'm so tempted. I love screenshots, but I'm not going to. And I'm saying it doesn't look much better.
No.
It's still the same issue, man. There you go.
I like
So
how
here on the left, what's it doing? On the left, print method, so it does like the altered character display. Okay, let's test it. So here again, it's running again a feedback loop. Do you see this?
yeah. Yeah.
The horizontal line showed up.
Yeah.
So now what the sub agent is asked, check if this shows the horizontal line instead of QQQ. Now what is it? It isn't entering 11. I think it is.
Look at that. It's
So
wild
here,
how it
let's do
spawns it in
this.
checks.
Yeah. You look at the screenshot directly. I'm just gonna say not. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so people, while you do that, Andreas is asking, you might have missed it. He said, how do you make the capture mode known to AMP? Is it a custom command or an MCP?
I build it into the app. I build it into the app itself, and
Into AMP.
sorry. Into my
Oh, it's
terminal.
into Canty. Got it.
Yeah. Ooh, sorry. Okay. Now sorry.
While you figure this out, so engineer
Yeah.
wannabe says, "Hello, buddy" is costing engineers hundreds of dollars a year.
Yeah.
I love it.
There you go. ACS test 4. There you go. Yeah. So it looks right. Yeah.
Okay. So what do we think is happening here?
So it's a bit confused because of the sub agent. Don't use this. Use the read file. Sorry, I need to tell it to disable the look-ahead stuff.
Next time.
There you go. So now it reads it, and now it will say, "Yeah, it. What the hell? Looks like." Ugh.
Just
So
doing it
this is
live.
because I started typing while it was doing this. Oh my god, I'm sorry.
Don't interrupt the agent. Come on.
Yeah.
Let AMP do
It
its
does it
thing.
look better?
All right. We only
Does
have
it look
8
better?
minutes. What's gonna
Yeah, we
happen?
have a. I don't know. I don't know if we'll make it. But here on the right, it capture didn't work. Can you describe specifically what looks wrong?
Interesting.
Progress.
Oh.
Progress. Let me check if there's an issue with this. Oh, interesting. So now it should look at. There you go. So now it uses the retool, which is right. So
Okay.
it doesn't use. There you go. There you
ACS
go.
is working. I can see.
Okay, it's column alignment. Okay, so now it's still going, right? Okay, so here capture didn't work. Try again.
Please, of course.
Yeah, I'll always say please. So look, like now it does it too, right? So now it looks at this.
Okay.
Use the read tool to look at the. Oh my god.
The other one's trying to
Yeah,
so
I need
busy
to
trying to
disable
get
this.
feedback.
This is good feedback though. It feels like there's a loss of. So this is the one on the left. This looks good. I think
Yeah.
it fixed it. No.
Yeah. I mean,
So now, okay, look, like the one on the right is now catching up. So
wow.
it now says, I can see the issue, blah, blah, blah. The meter bars are missing sequence. This is much better. This is when the one on the left says. So now the right one is on the same track.
Got it.
Okay.
So if we step back, like I would say the big thing that's obvious here is the feedback tool, whatever
Yeah.
it is. So
Yeah.
give your agent a feedback loop. And
Yes.
just with that, right?
Yep.
The one on the
Yep.
left got busy, made progress autonomously.
And didn't use feedback from me. Like I basically fucked it up by typing while it was doing stuff.
Right.
I messed it up.
You got in its way. All right,
Also,
cool. So
on this pun, Ryan, so you said if we take a step back. If we take a step back, look at how I want to show something here. Look at how tall this lamp is behind me. You might think this is a desk lamp, but actually, look, if I get up,
what is reality just altered? What
it's it's bigger than my head. It's far bigger than mine. So
and
yeah.
everyone watching did not know that the whole show. They just thought it was your desktop lamp.
They were like, this is a desk lamp.
So
Okay, look, so the one on the right is doing some other stuff. I don't know. But on the left, let's take a look. So on the left, let's check. H
right.
top. That looks pretty good.
Okay.
I think that looks pretty good.
Yep. Much better.
And now this is what somebody on Twitch suggested. They were saying you should the one on the right is still going. You should give the tool like the ability to compare. So to also spawn Ghosty and take a screenshot or something. So it
Oh,
can look at
interesting.
Ghosty and compare, and
Right.
then it has even better feedback.
Yep. So let's take a step back. So this
Again
is
to the
called
lamp.
this is to the lamp. So everyone, this is called prompt shootout. And what we're trying to do is figure out take the same task and use 2 different prompts. and see what
Yep.
happens. I think technically you did this because they were in 2 different folders, so we didn't have to use git work trees.
Yep.
And I would say the big reinforcement, because we've been saying this forever, is that
Yes.
give the agent a feedback loop.